Hey folks, I'm Tom Landis. I'm out here on my building site for a home we're going to build in Western Washington. The building permit has just been issued a week or so ago, and I'm getting ready to have the excavator come out here and punch a hole in the ground. Let me tell you about a few things we accomplished here in the last year or so. One of the things we did was come out here and do a critical area review based on our site plan. And we've also dug a well about 150 feet back in the woods. It's got good water. We hit water at about 125 feet. And just recently, I've had the electrician come out here and set up temporary power service, and it's been signed off by the inspector, and Puget Sound Energy has come out here and set the meter. Another thing we accomplished is that I have a stormwater dispersal trench in the ground, and all of the runoff from the house, the roof and the gutters, and all the impervious surfaces has to be tight lined back to this underground dispersal trench to make sure that all the water gets returned to the environment in a safe and sustainable way. Now, the other thing I've done is you can see that I've got this rockery behind me. I had the folks from Franklin Landscape come out here, and they took care of this elevation problem and established the pad by building this double rockery, and I'm really happy with the results there. Finally, we had a windstorm here recently, and I had some Doug firs come down in the woods, and so I had the loggers come out here and cut up the logs into 10, 12, 16-foot lengths, and I peeled the logs, pressure washed them, and oiled up the logs, and I plan to use them back into the building at the end of the job, and they're out here on the site, and I'm going to keep them stored until I'm ready to put them to use here in about 6-7 months. So all of this work has been identified in my site plan, and the site plan is a top sheet in the building permit application, and it gives the building department a clear view of how I intend to proceed establishing this pad. So come back and join me in about a week. I'll have the excavator out here, and we'll be punching a hole in the ground and starting to set up for our foundation. Thanks for joining me.